So hello guys, let's continue again. Let's understand file handling in Python. Let's see how to open files in Python. Python provides a built-in function to open files. It is named open. When we call this function, it returns a file object which is also called as a file handle, and it is used to read or modify the file. While reading a file, we need to specify the mode in which we want to open that file. It can be read mode, write mode, append mode, or there are several other modes also. We can also specify file type. In Python, it supports only two types, that is text mode or binary mode. Now let's see file opening modes in detail. Let's start with the reading mode, which is also denoted by R, and it is used for opening a file in reading mode only. We can read the file with this mode, and it is the most used mode. This mode will only work when the file already exists, otherwise it will throw an error. By default, files are opened in this mode only. After that, we have writing mode, which is also denoted by W. It is used for writing a file. If a file does not exist, then it creates a new file, but if the file exists, then it deletes the data in that file and overwrites it, which means it truncates that file. Then we have exclusive creation. This is the type of file mode which can create a file if the file does not exist. But if file already exists, then this will give a error that file is existing. It is denoted by X. After that, we have append mode, which is used for appending a file, which means adding data to the file without truncating the previously added data. This mode will add the data at the end of the file, and if a file does not exist, then it will create a file. Now we have text mode, which is used to specify the type of the file, and by default the file is opened in text mode only, so we do not need to specify this. Python also provides a way to open binary files using the binary mode, and if we are opening a binary file, then we need to specify B for that. Now we have the plus operator, which is used for performing multiple operations at once. For example, if you use R plus, then it will open the file for reading and writing. If you use W plus, then it will open the file for writing and reading. If you use RB plus, then it will open the file for reading or writing a binary file. If you use A plus, then it will open a file for appending as well as reading. Now let's understand the syntax for opening a file. To open a file, we just need to call a function named open and provide the required arguments. Then it will give us the file object and we can perform the operations on the file object. It takes two parameters, that is the name of the file. We can also provide a complete name of the file, and number two, it takes the mode, which is the access mode that we have seen previously. A very small example is given on the screen. Now let's see how to read files in Python. For reading a file, we need to use the built-in function read. For reading a file, it should be open in reading mode or its equivalent like A plus, W plus or R plus. Now let's see the syntax for reading a file. For reading a file, the syntax is given on the screen. Here the file object is the same that was generated by the open function. The read function takes one parameter which is optional. The parameter is actually size, which means to read how many bytes from the beginning of the file. We can specify that by giving integer based values, or if we don't specify it, then it reads the whole file. Now let's go for a hands-on practical. First of all, start the Python REPL by giving the command python. Now let's see how to open a file which exists on our system. For that, I will be creating a file object variable, and then I will be calling the open function and will providing the name of the file as well as the mode in which I want to open the file. Now let's see what is inside file object. For that, I will be just writing the file object and hitting enter. So it shows the name of the file, the mode and the encoding. Now let's use the read method with the file object to read the file and to see what is inside the file. So after writing this, just we can hit enter and it will show what was inside the file. It shows hello2 files in Python. So with this, we have successfully understood that how to read files in Python. Now let's open another file in Python and try to read it using the read function by providing a specific size to it. So here I am opening the file. and once I have opened it, I will be calling the read method on this file, and in the read method I am providing the size as 5 bytes, which means read the first 5 character in the file, so it shows hello. Now if I again call this method and provide the size as 4 byte, then it will read the next 4 byte of the same file. Now if I try to perform any other operation on this file, instead of just reading, if I try to write data to this file, then it will give us an error because we don't have the permissions to write. For that we need to use the mode W, which I will be discussing it in my upcoming video. Now let's try to open a file in reading mode which does not exist on our system. So if we try to do so, then we will receive an error. Now if I try to open a file which does not exist on my system using append mode, then it will first create a file and then we can append it. So to use append mode, we need to provide the parameter as A instead of R. Here A means to append. Now this will check if the file already exists. If it exists, then it will allow us to append it. But if it does not exist, then it will automatically create a file for us and then it will allow us to append data to it. We know that the file name we have specified does not exist, so this command will internally go and create a file for me, and we can also see on the desktop that the file has appeared. Now if I again try to open a file which does not exist on my system using the W+ mode, then it will first create a file and then will give me permissions to read and write to the file. So now we can see that it has automatically created the file and now we can perform read and write operations on it. So now let's create a file using the X mode, which is the exclusive mode. It will create a file if it does not exist, but if a file exists, then it will throw an error. So it gives an error because we know that 4.txt already exists. That's all for today. My new video will be uploaded soon. Thank you.